Hi everyone, Bobby Thompson here from Crochet Guru, and today I'm going to explain something that can be a little confusing, especially when you're first learning how to read crochet patterns. So if you're confused by what a chain multiple is, this video is for you. So a chain multiple is the foundation number of chains you need to start your project. Crochet stitch patterns are often designed to repeat in little groups or sets, and the multiple tells you how many chains make up each one of those sets. So for example, if a pattern says multiple of 9 plus 3, this just means that the stitch pattern repeats itself every 9 chains. The plus 3 at the end is just a few extra chains that you add on to help the design stay balanced and to create the turning chain. So let me break it down even simpler. If you chain 9 and then add 3 more, you'll have 12 chains. If you want to go wider, chain 18 and add 3 more, and then you'll have 21. So do you see the pattern? You just keep multiplying 9 and then add 3 at the end. Okay, so I'm going to explain this to you in a different way. A multiple is the number of chain stitches needed to work one complete unit of a pattern. To work the pattern in the example 6 plus 4, you need to chain any number of stitches which can be divided evenly by 6. So that could be 12, 18, 24, or 36, and so on. To this number, you need to add 4 more chains, giving it a total of 16, 22, 28, 40, etc. So the plus number is just added once. So why do crochet patterns use chain multiples? And that's because it gives you the flexibility to make your own project any size you want. So if you want to have a baby blanket, a scarf, or even a king-sized Afghan, you just have to adjust your starting chain. So whenever you see something like multiple of 6 plus 2 or multiple of 9 plus 3, you'll know exactly how to build your foundation chain to get started. And remember, don't stress it if it feels like math at first. Once you see the repeats line up in your stitches, it'll click. Crochet is about rhythm and pattern and chain multiples. And the chain multiples are just the little formula that helps you get there. So the next time you see a chain multiple in a pattern, you'll know it's simply telling you how to build your foundation chain so that the stitch repeats work out perfectly. I really hope this video helped you, and thank you so much for watching it, and I hope you have a great day.